take care of a patient.
How long does what's?
How long can I take care of a patient?
Yes.
I can take care of a patient for as long as they need to be taken care of. Now, on the way to the hospital, I take care of people that, like, if you get, if you get in a car accident, remember a couple of, was that a year ago or whatever, you got in a car accident with mommy and daddy?
Yes.
I can take care of people from a car accident all the way to the hospital. Or else I can take care of people from their homes, I can take them to the hospital. So the time is different for each person. The time can be as quick as like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, or it can be as long as an hour or 2. So it just depends on how much help a person needs. Okay?
Okay.
Y'all want to see TT's badge? This is TT's badge.
How long can you get to a patient?
How long does it take?
Hold on. What, Kyle?
How long does it take to get to a patient?
Yes.
Okay. How long does it take to get to a patient?
That's the same question as before. It just depends on how far away we are.
Okay.
Now, differences between, like police cars taking you to the hospital, it's called transport. So we transport people from wherever they are to the hospital or to wherever their destination is. It's called transport. So the transport time is the time that it takes for us to get you to the hospital.
Okay.
That's called transport. This, I don't know if y'all can see the teeth. Hold on, let me see. This teeth, I'm trying to show y'all the teeth. Let's see.
Yeah, we can see them.
You can't really see the teeth, but the teeth on it are what's called serrated. Now, that's not a special word in the medical field.
Oh, we know that on Dr. Pimple Popper.
Dr. Pimple Popper.
But it is called serrated scissors. So these can cut through jeans, they can cut through cowboy boots, they can cut through sweatpants.
Don't eat your pencil,
they
Bam
can
Bam.
cut through football, like uniform gear. You know, I can cut through pads, the little pads that you wear in your football gear. I can cut through all of that with these.
Bam Bam, what was your favorite part?
Question?
Answering questions?
Yes.
Okay. Bear, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was learning about how you help athletes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, me too.
Because that was very interesting.
Because you are an athlete.
Well, thank you for being our first community helper. Give TT a big hand. Woo! Thank you, TT. They were very surprised. They didn't know it was going to be you, so they're very excited.